Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the RovyVon Aurora A5X. This micro USB rechargeable light has a luminous glow-in-the-dark body, both a main LED and 3 side LEDs which create a lantern effect, a UV LED, a maximum output of 650 lumens with 4 different brightness modes, a max runtime of 66 hours, and you can pick it up for $37. The A5X is an upgrade to the original RovyVon Aurora A5, and the output has been upgraded from 550 lumens to 650 lumens. The 130 mAh battery has been upgraded to a 330 mAh battery, and the max runtimes have been upgraded from 30 to 66 hours. The A5X is IP66 rated and weighs 17 grams or 0.6 ounces, and here it is next to a $10 bill for size comparison. This version has a Cree XP-G3 LED, but you can also pick one up in the Nichia 219C. There's a single button on the side which turns the light on and off and helps you to cycle through the different modes. There's a charging port cover on the side, and on the bottom there's a small loop which you can use to attach a keychain or a lanyard. The A5X also has a luminous body which will glow when it's exposed to light from either the sun, other sources of light, or you can turn it on with the side LEDs. This makes it much easier to spot the light in the dark, and it really makes this light stand out. If you look closely at the side of the light, you can see a row of LEDs inside the body. This version of the A5 has 2 white LEDs and also a UV light, but you can also get a version that has a red light instead of the UV light. When the side LEDs are activated, the body acts as a diffuser, which creates a lantern effect. Before we get to the beam shots, here's a chart showing the different runtimes and outputs for each of the different modes. On turbo, it has a max output of 650 lumens, and on the ultra low 3 lumens mode, it has a max runtime of 66 hours. The side LEDs have a max runtime of 12 hours on the low 17 lumens mode. There are a few pros which really stand out about this light. First and foremost, it has an incredibly high output, and I don't know of anything brighter that's this small. So if output is really important to you, this is one of your best options. Also, the side LEDs make this light useful as a lantern, which really comes in handy. The light is also nice and warm, and it's easy on the eyes for reading. The luminous body is a really nice touch, and the runtime on low is incredibly good for a light this size. With regards to the cons, one issue with this light is the fact that it only produces 650 lumens for a very brief amount of time before stepping down to 130 lumens. Here's a chart from the RovyVon website showing the output on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. But this is common for lights with powerful turbo modes to step down rapidly to prevent them from overheating and also to conserve battery life. Also, this light has a built-in battery, and as soon as it dies, this light is pretty much useless. Overall, this is a really impressive keychain flashlight, and it offers a lot of unique selling points that you're just not going to find on any other light. And if you want to pick one up, you can find a link in the description below. Let me know your thoughts on the RovyVon Aurora A5X in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to the Urban Survivor channel for more flashlight reviews like this one.